Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Dozzle Log Viewer on Rocky Linux 9. First, make sure your system is fully up to date. This command will fetch and install all the latest patches and security updates for Rocky Linux 9. Keeping your system updated ensures stability and security. Next, install some utilities required for Docker. Rocky Linux does not ship with the latest Docker packages by default. We need to add the official Docker repository. Now, install Docker Community Edition along with CLI and required plugins. Next, enable Docker to start at boot and launch it immediately. Then, verify Docker and Docker Compose are installed. If both commands return version numbers, Docker is successfully installed. Now, let's prepare Dozzle by using Docker Compose. Create a dedicated directory. Next, create the Docker Compose YML file. Then, start Dozzle and check if it is running. Continue to check logs. After that, test the health endpoint. If you see a healthy response, Dozzle is up and running. To make Dozzle accessible from a domain, instead of port 8080, we'll use Nginx as a reverse proxy. Now, install Nginx. Continue to enable and start Nginx. Next, create a configuration file for Dozzle. After that, test the configuration and reload. Now, open your browser and go to the following URL. You will see the Dozzle Web UI, which streams logs from all running containers in real time.